Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I'm going to come in with a bang. We're going to make homemade bread pudding. Old-fashioned homemade bread pudding. You know, like your grandmother used to make with the bread and the custard and all that good stuff. Yes, let's do that. And this is going to be for your Easter celebration, and this will air on Easter. So as you're eating your Easter dinner, you can all reminisce, and maybe you'll make it later. How about that? Or maybe that same day. Why not? Okay, it has been a joy celebrating Easter with you, and all week I made a different dish for Easter to celebrate Easter with you, so that I can share with you and you can share the recipes with others as you embrace your Easter on Easter Day or before. Okay, alright, let's give it a thumbs up because I know you're going to like this. Share the video and subscribe. Check out my links below if you want to support this channel in any way. Let's do it. Okay, so here I have 8 slices of raisin bread, and it came in this package here. Okay, and I have about 4 slices of whole grain bread. Now you can use any kind of bread you like, but this is what I'm using. Alright, okay. Okay, I just want to show you, I cut it up in cubes. It doesn't matter, you don't have to cut it up. You can break it up with your hand, but I'm just going to show you what I did. So I cut it up in cubes like so, okay? Okay, so I did that for the whole grain bread and the raisin bread. Now that bowl is not going to be big enough. Let me get one. Okay, let's transfer this to this bowl. Much better. So that's the raisin bread in there, and this is the whole grain bread in here. Okay, so now we're going to add our ingredients. So the first thing I want to do is, I have about 1 ounce of water here. It's right to here. Let's add that in to get the moistness started. We may have to add more, of course, but let's start with what we got here first. Okay, I have 1 egg that we're going to add. One egg. And then I have 3/4 of a stick of butter. I'm going to add that. Melted. 3/4 of a stick of butter melted. Okay, now I have some vanilla here. That I can't open. Okay, I have one here that I can open. Let's add a tablespoon of vanilla. Whether you have pure vanilla, invitation vanilla, it doesn't matter. That's up to you. Okay, so I have stevia sugar. It's a sugar substitute. I'm going to use that. Now, if you're going to use regular sugar, you can use regular sugar. So each one of these packages equal a teaspoon. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to add 6 teaspoons of stevia sugar. In your case, if you have regular sugar, you're going to add 6 teaspoons of regular sugar or more if you want it sweeter. That's up to you about the sugar. Maybe you don't want sugar at all. Maybe you want to add honey. Okay, now I have some nutmeg, and I didn't show you the sugar, did I? This is a stevia sugar, okay? Comes in packages. Okay, and this is the nutmeg. Okay, this is a teaspoon. We're going to add a teaspoon of nutmeg. And we're going to add cinnamon. Well, let's go ahead and add a teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have a half a cup of dried cranberries. Half a cup of dried cranberries. And now the last thing we need to add is this heavy cream. Okay, let's add a cup of heavy cream. Okay, so now we're going to mix this up. I'm actually smashing it together so that all the flavors come together. Okay, let me show you that. It looks a little light to me, so I'm going to add some more cinnamon. So now this will be 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I used to go to my grandmother's house. She lived in Philadelphia. Every summer, me and my brothers and sisters. And this is one thing that she made for us. Bread pudding. And I always look forward to having it. Okay, that looks better. It's a darker color. That's what bread pudding kind of looks like to me. Alright, so let me put that in a pan. 1 second. Okay, so I have a pan here. I put olive oil in the bottom of the pan. So now we're going to put the bread pudding right in there. Okay, that's what we're looking like. We're going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees until the top is completely brown, okay? Which we're going to start, my estimate is around 25 minutes, okay? Because it's also moist, so we want it to dry out some. So that's why I'm saying 25 minutes. So in 25 minutes, I'm going to take a butter knife and I'm going to stick in the middle. If something comes out on the butter knife, just like you do a cake, it's not done. You're going to put it back in the oven and wait until you stick the butter knife in and it comes out clean, okay? Alright, 350 degrees. And I'll be right back with the word of the day for you, okay? Thanks. Okay, our bread pudding is out. It smells delicious. But before I show you the completion, let me give you the word of the day. Money. Money. They say money is the root of all evil. I say this about money. Don't loan out any money that you can't forgive if it's not paid back. Oh, I'm going to say that again. Don't loan out, and the key word there is loaned. Don't loan out any money if you can't forgive the person if they do not pay it back. Because if you loan it out and you don't receive it, it could put a bitter feeling between you and the person. It could always be in the back of your mind. It could actually cause you financial harm if you was really dependent on it for yourself for some reason. So if you can't loan it and look at it as a gift, then don't loan it, okay? And if you think you can't forgive the person if they don't pay it back, don't loan it. It's better to give it than to loan it and have that issue later. Money, the root of all evil. That's the word of the day. You might want to think about that. Okay. All right, let's check on our bread pudding. Okay guys, this is what we're looking like. I put whipped cream on the top. I cut out this slice and I have it on this place here for the taste for you. Okay, how about that? So let me taste. Okay, old-fashioned bread pudding. Mmm. Just like I remembered it. Wow. That brought back memories. So, so good. It tastes just like it tasted when I was a child. You've got to make it. It's nice and soft. I taste the raisins and cranberries in it. I taste the cinnamon. Too good. And that whipped cream to top it off. Wow. Love it. Look at that, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Another option, if you don't like whipped cream, vanilla ice cream. Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. So good. Or another way my mother used to do it is put some light cream over it. Too good. Okay, guys, I brought it home for you. Okay, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Talk to you soon, okay? Love you.